sit.
This month we're doing a challenge called the Best Friends Walk. I can't remember how far we've walked so far, but the challenge is to walk 50 Ks within the month to raise money for pets in need. And we've raised like $105 so far, and I'm so proud of everyone that's donated, so proud of us. If you want to donate, link will be in the description. It's for a good cause. It's awesome. Holy shit, look, we've run into something. Look at how big that cunt is. He's not moving, the rest have ran. You wanna get him? Alright, my boyfriend is chopping up the sesh and I'm doing a little workout. This is 3 kilos. I know, I'm very weak. I'm still working out, but I'm having a cone in between because it helps keep me more motivated. Look at this sesh, bro. I don't know. Does anyone else get like that? Like, when you work out, you need to have a little cone break in between. Alright. I know I didn't get dressed today, but I'll get dressed as fuck. It's a good fucking workout when your body's like aching and shaking. There is the screen door she ripped off last night. So she busted down the screen door. We're still working on boundaries when we leave for walks. Trying to make her be calm before we leave for walks. Either way, she gets excited with the door, so we're trying to get her calm enough to sit, but she's very stubborn sometimes. And when she's in her stubborn state, she doesn't respond to food or anything till she calms down. So it's a lot of work we're doing, trial, error, research we're doing. I watch a lot of dog podcasts. I think the main thing I've learned is just to make room for her reactions. But what that means is basically, I know she's gonna have a reaction. If she sees another dog, she's gonna have a reaction. She's a reactive dog. So I prepare myself before we go out for walks, before we do things. I prepare myself for that reaction so I can be calm enough to confidently deal with the situation, so I'm not having an anxiety attack, even if she is. She can have the reaction and I'm solid, standing still, assessing the situation, knowing what I need to do. And as you can see, she's calming down slowly. She's getting agitated because the next door neighbours' dogs are coming on our property. But it's not really something we can help. It's in the country, they keep coming over, and it's a good chance for her to slowly get used to them. She's behind the door right now. She's slowly getting used to it. Come here. Oh yes, you're so pretty. See, she's back. Leave her alone. probably not going to film our run. I'm just going to leave the phone in my pocket to count our steps. Alright, we're back from our run. I'm going to do some yoga and then make the pets some food. I'm not going to lie, I'm too lazy to do my own flow and record right now. I'm just going to do a little bit of yoga with like a guided one on YouTube, probably yoga with Adrian because she's pretty cool. And my reasoning for not doing my own flow right now is because I've just done a workout and a big run. So I want to fully relax my muscles, and when I do my own flow, I kind of stick to the ones I already know and that I'm good at. So it's good to branch out. I've been up since early, so I'm going to have a little nappy nap before I make a snack. Okay guys, I just woke up from my nap. I'm going to do a little bit of yoga to warm my body up and help it restore because I'm sore from my workout. It's payday night, so we're getting ready to go out. We're wearing our dressing gowns and we're gonna go fill up the car with some fuel and get some munchies, which is my favorite part about payday is munchies and food shopping. I really like food shopping. That's how I feel like I know I'm growing up, because I really like doing just normal basic ass things like food shopping. I like going to Kmart, looking at like home appliances. I feel real old. Oh, there's one left in the bowl. This time I didn't cough my guts up. I think I was excited. I'm too excited about food to cough my guts up. Oh, look at Hungry Jacks. I love Hungry Jacks. I used to be like more of a Macca's girly, but in recent years, my eyes have been opened to the wonders of Hungry Jacks. I think working at Macca's was the thing that put me off Macca's, if I'm being honest. I like my KFC when it's good on a good day, and Hungry Jacks to die for. I got sprayed down before I'm allowed to enter the car. Am I that much of a cloud? Obviously we live on a farm, so it's a bit of a trek. It is 11:52. We just pulled up at the pumps and we're waiting for the pay to come in. Also, this is how broken my phone is and why I use my boyfriend's phone. So shout out to my boyfriend for letting me use his phone for all my content creation and stuff because he knows it's my hobby. Oh my god, this crazy taxi just almost like crashed into us.
What are we doing?
But what's better than the big yellow arches? The big burger sign.
Yeah, cheers.
He just made both of our drinks a Biscoff shake. I couldn't be more in love. Oh! Tuesday at 12 a.m. Did everyone get their fucking pay or something?
I don't like drive-thrus, right? So I'm always scared that like I'm gonna get stuck that way. I'm gonna have to reverse out just a little bit to go out, and that's just too embarrassing. I'd rather literally run through the shop with my car. Behind me, you can't go around.
We're finally up at the payment window. Hungry!
Yeah.
We're driving up.
So I pay you?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. It's kind of sus when a football company, like a football team,
Give me more
known for
nugget.
health, sponsors a fast food company. and not even a healthy fast food company. But nonetheless, I love Crows and I love Hungry Jack's. Oh my god. Oh, it's got the Unos. I spilled my drink. Didn't overreact. Back in the day, I would have had like a full-blown meltdown about like that portion of my drink being spilled. And yeah, it's quite a big portion of my drink gone, but try to be okay. Try to be okay with it. I almost want to lick the bits up on the floor because it's such a waste. We're pulling a Karen and we're calling Hungry Jack's because we didn't check. We should have checked. But we drove all the way home up the hill and realised they didn't put our chicken burgers. Now I can finally show you guys our meals now that we've gone and got the rest of it. They also gave us some free nuggets, chicken royales, and bacon deluxe. Why are they the same size? They have shrunk the bacon deluxes, and what is the cost of living doing to everything? I'm going to get the big speaker because I want to listen to music while live on TikTok. And yeah, I want to make a tea. Routine. Bentley did a poop in the house. She's a rescue that's working on some basic life skills such as toilet training and household etiquette. about to mop and go to bed, but my boyfriend's having a cigarette and I could smell it from inside, so I'm gonna come steal some. TikTok sound, and it's like a reward. It's like this after cleaning. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna end this video here, get to editing it and get to bed. Also, if you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Your comments mean so fucking much to me. Every comment makes me so happy. You don't understand. Anyway, bye. Stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you guys in the next video.